today's video, and we have a very special Stage 4 XL. This one is for our friends at Cage Kits, so Devin and Rob. Rob is a paraplegic, right? So he's in a wheelchair, super motorsports oriented, and is a ripper of anything. So Chair Slayer is a maniac. He's got adrenaline through and through, and his disability is not going to be something that lets him just sit there. Basically, we have built the Stage 4. It's got our upgraded brake kit, you know, upgraded neck, 1000 watt, but the special one here is it's got a thumb throttle and brakes, right? So since he has no use of his legs, having a traditional throttle like we normally have on the carts makes that pretty difficult to use. So we leave this here in case any of the guys at Cage Kits needs or wants to ride it. You literally just swap the plug from thumb or to your foot. So anyway, if you guys are new to the channel, this is a Stage 4 XL custom powder coat in Chartreuse Sherbert from our friends at Prismatic Powders. Pop up under the seat. 48 volt lithium ion battery, 1000 watt speed controller. This one also has the adjustable speed knob.
Coming soon.
Now this is a new product, it'll be live on the website, so you can literally go from 0 throttle input all the way to 100. So if you have a kiddo or anything like that, you could do half throttle. Make it really slow. That's 3/4. Full throttle. Right, so you audibly hear that. Anyway, we made this for those guys over there, so they're gonna be shredding. Can't wait to see all the videos. Check out their stuff. They're really innovating cages, right, in race cars. You guys know that we have race cars, Ryan's a fabricator, all of those things. But something that they're doing different is they're actually 3D scanning the inside of a vehicle, say my S chassis, right? And they've scanned the whole inside of the car, and then they have 3D modeled, rendered, and turned into CAD file so they can bend all the roll cages. So the roll cages come notched, bent, and they are as good as they're gonna get as far as fitment. And I've talked to a lot of cage guys that have built cages for 30 years, and they're like, I would never build another cage because of the headache, and I just buy it from Cage Kits. So if you guys are into fabrication, cars, or want to cage your car, cagekits.org, even down to the brake kit, and then the stem tube clamps, right? So again, I know that we talk about these, but these go right here on the chassis and reinforce that bearing race. So all of the force, say the 200 plus pounds of just actual weight on the cart, plus the lateral force of it, braking will waller this whole area out and actually deflect. We appreciate you guys' support, and we're gonna box this thing up, and then we're headed to Atlanta, Drift 4th of July.
I gotta get my cart, gotta get my cart, gotta get my cart.
Swapping the battery over because we don't ship the carts fully charged, simply in case someone's going to store it, not ride it right out of the box. You really want to store your battery between 20 and 80%, which on this one, 54.6 is fully charged, 40 volts is completely dead, so you want to really keep it between like 45 and 52, just to keep the longevity of the battery as long as possible.
Yo, what do you call this trick?
I'm not even.
You're not even using the throttle. Oh wait, thumb throttle.